My name is Celeste Roselli, and I'm the creator and developer of CourtConnect. So what problem does this app solve? Well, I was alerted to the problem from my mom, who's a superior court judge. One day, she was discussing how difficult it is to communicate with jurors during jury selection because of the complex changing schedules, as well as the need to separate notifications to jurors based on different panels of people. Time and money are wasted by the government because of the lack of communication about juror arrival times, as well as court recesses and other different scheduling events. That's why I created CourtConnect. So, the audience of CourtConnect are judges in our governmental court system. And the purpose is to allow these judges to send SMS text to jurors based on case and panel from an easy-to-use web interface, which simplifies jury selection as a whole. Judges and jurors stay in constant, secure, and accessible communication. After first being used in my mom's courtroom, other judges saw the benefits of the app and began using it in their own courtrooms. CourtConnect has now been used by judges at both the state and federal level in Georgia to easily manage jury selection and communication. Here's a quick demonstration. After logging in, we can create a jury. Now, first, we can have a case name and the number of jury panels needed for voir dire. Now, we can separate communication based on all jurors or by panel number. If we click on a panel number, we can also access the QR code. This can be downloaded and displayed across the courtroom so that jurors can scan it and be directed to a web page where they enter their phone number and get added to a list on the jury for that panel. Now, judges can use this message box down here to type messages, either based on panel or to all jurors. First, I'll type a message to all jurors. We have the timestamp down here as well as the message. This has been sent out via SMS to all the jurors in the case. Next, let's type out a message to jurors in panel 1. There we go. So if you go down to panel 2, you can see the hello all jurors message, but not the hello all jurors in panel 1 because of course the messages are being separated by what panel the phone numbers are on. As well as this main functionality of sending SMS messages, we also have functionality for user settings, such as changing username or email address, as well as creating new juries and deleting juries when the court case is over. Message history will still be saved for security, but all the juror phone numbers and panels will be deleted.
The CourtConnect app is so intuitive and easy to use for judges. More importantly, it streamlines voir dire and makes the whole jury selection process so much easier for prospective jurors.
I coded CourtConnect using Python, HTML, and CSS. I used a framework called Django to manage the back-end website functions such as storing phone numbers, as well as the Twilio library for actually sending the SMS messages. I coded the front-end design of the web app using HTML and CSS, using mostly custom code, and some code from the Bootstrap library for UI design. I coded the whole thing on Visual Studio Code and then deployed it using an online platform called Railway, which hosts databases and web servers. Thank you so much for watching.